So this is the Shock Doctor Compression Knit Elbow Sleeve, and this has a gel insert that gives you support, targeting the area which can relieve tendonitis, tennis elbow, and even golfer's elbow. So this is breathable compression that contours to your body, but it's soft to the touch. Check your measurements carefully because it's meant to fit tightly. This gel inlay provides additional targeted compression and support for your tennis elbow. So if you suffer from tennis elbow, give this Shock Doctor brace a try.